rhythm and rush these days, where the lights don't move and the colors don't fade. Leaves you empty with nothing but dreams, in a world gone shallow, in a world gone mean. Sometimes there's things a man cannot know. Gears won't turn and the leaves won't grow. There's no place to run and no gasoline. Engine won't turn and the train won't leave. Engines won't turn and the train won't leave. I will stay with you tonight. Hold you close till the morning light. In the morning watch the new day rise. Do whatever just to stay alive. Do whatever just to stay alive. The way I feel is the way I ride. Listen like the thoughts of a man who lies. There is a truth and it's on our side. Dawn is coming, open your eyes. Look into the sun as a new day's rise. And I will wait for you tonight. Here forever and you're by my side. I've been waiting all my life to fill your heart as it's keeping time. Do whatever just to stay alive. Dawn is coming, open your eyes. 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 Look into the sun as a new day's rise. There's a rhythm and rush these days, where the lines don't move and the colors don't fade. Leaves you empty with nothing but dreams, in a world gone shallow, in a world gone mean. But there is a truth and it's on our side. Dawn is coming, open your eyes. Look into the sun as a new day's rise. One night to be confused, one night to speed up truth. We had a promise made, 4 hands and then
4,600. Feeling good, Bill?
Just see that little snap.
to know what to say. Mind is a razor blade. call for hands up.
Feel nice and warm there, Wes?
I feel like a new man.
Nice.
I think that the team is doing so far.
It's good team.
Good team. About the Americans.
What do you think?
One night the start a simple touch. One night to push and scream, and then ring.
It's going to be a grueling trek of approximately 5 hours, and then we're going to get to Lobachi where we'll sleep, and then tomorrow morning we're going to base camp.
To call for hands above, to lean on wouldn't be good enough for me. To call for hands above, to lean on wouldn't be good enough. And you knew the hand of the devil. And you kept us awake with wolves' teeth, sharing different heartbeats in one life. To call for hands above, to lean on wouldn't be good enough for me now. To call for hands above. In the morning by the sea, as the fog clears from the sand, I have no money in my hand, I have no home, I have no land. But it doesn't trouble me as I lay beside the fire. I am easy to inspire. There is little I require.
On our way up to Kalapatthar, 5,555 meters. This is a very hard climb. Really feeling lack of oxygen. Just gonna take it slow. Check out the view. At Everest. Are we doing okay, Rush?
Yeah, good. See the Everest?
Yes.
Everest, South Pole, Mori, Lincoln, Kumbuche. Yeah. Also in the Hamadablam.
Did you guys head hurt?
We're at 5,400 meters now. Listen to my voice, it sounds different, right? It's very hard going.
Hard to
Feeling
breathe.
Rosie.
Slight headache.
Head's pounding a bit.
Views are gorgeous.
150 more meters to go.
Oh my gosh.
Do you see it?
Oh, we're now hearing an avalanche. From time to time, we had found a common ground. Your voice was such a welcome sound. How the emptiness would fill with the waves and with your song. People find where they belong. Bill, how are you feeling?
I'm really tired, got a little headache, but I'm damn determined to make it up to the top.
Don't worry, we'll get there.
There's no quitting, Beal.
There's no quitting, mate. Through the never-ending maze, where the way is seldom clear, there is no map or compass near. I drive a ship I cannot steer through the bleak and early morn, where a strong
made it to the top. One of the hardest things I've ever done. Not enough oxygen up here. So check out the view.
That is all that I can do. Feel the carvings in the tree that give shade for you and me.
So we're almost at base camp. It's getting a little bit fine because we decided to do Kalapatthar first.
Porters are
Well,
just
look-
arriving at tea.
Yeah, we're all extremely tired and thirsty. We're getting some tea.
What did you think? Tea now or the base camp?
Bill, how hard do you think today's been?
On a scale of 1 to 10,
Sure.
10.
Yeah, I
We
agree.
started at Lukla, then we hiked to Gorachi. We were in good shape. It was a tough hike to get there, but then we thought we could go up to Pengbachi.
Kalapatthar?
Kalapatthar, I think I'm getting low altitude,
Yeah.
whatever.
Same.
Kalapatthar, that hike was brutal. Then we came down and we decided to go to base camp in the same day. And we're about 3/4 away to base camp. And I'm exhausted. It's getting late in the day. I think it may get dark on us. And we've forgotten our headlights because we didn't think it'd take this long. So this is a brutal day.
Agreed, man. Good work. So we made it to Everest base camp. It's kind of crowded, but satisfying. This is the Khumbu Icefall here. Check out all these people. Lots of photos, lots of photos. I'm so proud of our group. It was a massive day. It's pretty satisfying now.
Let's go.
Time to race home before it gets dark and too cold.